Hey guys, so for today's video, I'll be talking about the best kept secret among GPT platforms or get paid to do platforms. And here's a screenshot of what I was able to receive recently. So if you stick around for the entire video, I'll give you the exact steps I took to achieve these results, plus a few bonus tips. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. I'm really pumped to tell you about this because it's just a really easy way for you to make a few extra $100. And let me just tell you first that results are not typical, and I can't say for sure if you'll make more or less what I made, but if you replicate all the steps I took, I think that it's safe to say you should be able to make somewhere around this amount. So if you're ready, let's dive right into the video. So first off, I want you to visit the website prizerebel.com and sign up. It's free and a pretty painless process. Should take you a couple seconds to complete. So you'll just need to enter your name, your email address, your desired password, and then you're in. Once you've created your account, you'll want to log in so you can start earning points, which you can then convert to money that you can have credited to your PayPal or bank account. You can also opt for a wide selection of gift cards if that's your jam. So what exactly is Prize Rebel? Essentially, it's a GPT platform or a get paid to platform. And GPT websites allow you to earn cash or gift cards by answering surveys, watching ads, referring friends, playing games, or completing other tasks. This is available worldwide and is one of the most established GPT sites out there. So after you've signed up for your account, I want you to head on over to the Prize Rebel dashboard. And because this is a GPT site, you will see a ton of different activities that you can do. But please don't get distracted just yet. I'll teach you the best way to go about it so you don't end up wasting your time and you can make the most of your being here. So I want you to look for the Earn button on the top part of the screen right here. Click on that and you'll see a drop-down that says surveys, offer walls, and videos. These are actually the three main ways you can make money on Prize Rebel. So for surveys, these are questionnaires that will ask you to share your opinions about certain things, and then you get paid in points for each one that you complete. The thing with surveys is that you'll need to qualify or be entered into a specific demographic to be able to participate. So there will be surveys that are available for a male friend of yours, for example, if you're female, or a friend for another country that may not be available to you. Because of that, it can be quite frustrating not to find anything that's a fit. In that case, I do recommend that you move on to other ways that you can make money here. An easier way to make money on Prize Rebel would be on offer walls, which you can also find as a drop-down under the Earn tab. So you'll want to select no cost, and then you'll be able to see the different things that you can get paid to do. Again, there will be some surveys, games, free samples, get a chance to win certain things, and each task that you perform is equivalent to a certain number of points that they have specified here for you. So just keep scrolling and then you can choose which one you want to do. Just a quick side note, please read the short description and requirements here because in my opinion, not all offers are worth the time or effort, but you will be able to chance upon some gems that are. Another insider tip is whether this is the first GPT site that you will be trying or if you have others already that you've signed up for. I've talked about a few other legit ones and we'll leave links for those down below. But I do recommend that you create an email account specifically for these GPT sites. This way you can easily sort your email and make sure that you don't get spammed. Okay, so besides the no-cost offer wall, what I also like doing on Prize Rebel is join contests. So if you want to go ahead and do that too, you can simply go to Win up over here and then Contests. These do change every so often, so you'll want to check the page out for updates and requirements when you're free. Do take note that there are some contests that are only available to people from the US, and then there are others that are internationally available. Another fun way to make money or gift cards would be by joining a raffle, which you can also find under the Win tab. They have new raffles every day, and literally the only thing that you would need to do to join would be to click on the enter button. Okay, now that you know more or less the things that you can do on this website, I want to point out the best ways to earn on this site would be passively. And let me show you how you can do that right now. So under the Invite tab, you'll want to click on Earn with Referrals. And it says right here, tell your friends, family, and classmates about Prize Rebel. And right below that, you'll find this code. It's actually called your unique referral link. So if you have friends who are into these GPT sites or who are just looking for a side gig at this time, you'll want to send them your link because this will give you 15% of whatever they make. This means that for every $1,000 that they make, you get 150 bucks. Pretty cool, right? So I know that we can sometimes get a little shy sending links to our friends, or maybe we don't have anyone we know who would be interested in the first place. So don't worry, I told you I would share some bonus tips with you, and I will tell you where exactly I promote my own referral links such as this. But before we get to that part, if you're enjoying the content so far, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because it really supports it. And with that said, let's get to the first strategy that I use to promote my referral links, and that would be on Facebook. So you can look for or join groups such as these ones. All you have to do would be to type in Make Money Online under the Facebook Groups tab, and groups with related names should appear. See now, both these groups are called Make Money Online, and this one has 99,000 members, while this other one has 105,000. Then there's also this other group called Earn Money Online, and it already has 167,000 members. So what's great about all of these groups is that the people who join them are already looking for ways to make extra cash. So they're really warm leads, and there's a really high chance that you'd be able to get some conversions for your link over here. So you can imagine just getting 1% of these people to click on your link and sign up. When they start earning, so will you. So the second place that I use to promote my links would be this Make Money forum called webmastersun.com. Again, similar to Facebook groups that have been niched down, people who are present here have one thing in mind, and that would be how to make money online. So it's really great to leverage sites like these and help a few people out by sharing your referral link. It's really a win-win situation because they may not have heard of Prize Rebel before, and it may be just what they need. So all you need to do would be to open related posts and threads, just like these ones over here. They're all about making money online, and then you can easily leave a comment somewhere along the lines of, I just started out on this website, I've been making a few extra bucks from it, not a bad place to start if you're a beginner with some free time on your hands. Here's my referral link, it won't cost you anything extra to use it. Good luck and let me know. Just something as simple as that should get you a few signups. So before we end this, I do have one last bonus tip that I wanted to share with you guys on how you can make extra points on Prize Rebel. So if you notice, there's a promo code field on the upper right corner over here. And if you check Prize Rebel's social media pages, you'll notice that they often have promo codes that you can simply paste on their website right here to earn you a few extra points. You're welcome. As I always say, I hope you can start today because tomorrow you will only wish that you had started sooner. If you enjoyed today's video or found any value in it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this channel with your friends and family because it really does keep us going. We talked about GPT sites in some of our other videos and have a ton of other content about money-making ideas that you can start today, so let me leave links for you below. Please start working on your financial freedom right now. Take care, guys. I'll see you on the next one.